A conservator is a person appointed by the court to make financial decisions on behalf of another individual. If an adult is incapacitated and demonstrating an inability to make decisions regarding their financial affairs, then a conservatorship may be necessary. A conservator can be any person appointed by the court who is willing and able to act in that role. The conservator could be a family member or could be a professional conservator. The court, acting in the best interest of the person who may be subject to a conservatorship, will appoint the individual it deems best qualified. When appointed by the court, a conservator is granted specific authority to act on behalf of the person subject to conservatorship. The powers they are given may include the ability to enter into contracts, to invest assets, to pay bills, or to generally manage their financial affairs. A conservator's powers are limited to what the court orders and will be dependent upon the individual's needs. The conservatorship process can be complicated. If you have questions about a conservatorship or are seeking a conservatorship over an individual, it is always best to consult a qualified attorney.